I'm Dr. Sabina Shah. I came from Nepal, Kathmandu to Bangalore. So I came all the way from Nepal. Also during this COVID situation, at first I was having very severe pain. I didn't knew about my condition. I had pain over the right side of my neck, radiating to my arm, also tingling and numbness sensation over the thumb. So I consulted with Dr. Murli Mohan.
I am Rabi. She is my sister. She recently had a C5-C6 disc prolapse. She was having a severe pain in her hand from thumb to shoulder for 2-3 weeks. So we got Dr. Mulli's reference from Professor Saleem. He is a neurosurgeon from US.
I got the operation, which is called arthroplasty, to replace the whole prolapsed disc. And after 2 days, I'm feeling very much relieved. I feel much better.
Nursing staffs and it's like as a parent, like your guardian, like when you find someone who's as good as Dr. Murli and he knows his fields very well, and the way he talks to you, like the way he comforts you, it's really admirable. I would highly recommend any person who has neurosurgery to be done or has to do some consultations, they can straight away come to Saga Hospital.
Now my pain has almost gone. It's relieving now. I just want to thank all the Dr. Murli Mohan and his team, and also this hospital for great hospitality.